Hello everyone, welcome to Lossy Crochet Designer, and today we are going to learn how to crochet angle socks. This is angle socks and is for 6-month old. Okay, let's get started. And I'm going to use this yarn. It's very thin if I use one strand, and I'm going to use two. I'm going to double it. You will need a crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and needle. So let's go. And I'm going to start with a knot. I'm going to start with a knot and start making a chain. I'm going to make a chain of 20. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20, and I'm going to make 2 chain to start my work. I'm going to yarn over and skip 2 chain from your hook. This is 1, 2. In that third one, I'll make a double crochet. And I'm going to make double crochets in each loop. I'm going to work double crochets in each loop. Yarn over, go in this space here and make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab yarn from behind and make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab yarn from behind and make a double crochet. Double crochet up to the end. Double crochet up to the end. I'm approaching the end and I'm going to work my last double crochet. Now here you will have to chain 1, chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, and you will not work in this space because our 2 chain stand for this space. Now you are going to yarn over and go to the next space and make a double crochet. Continue making double crochets, double crochet on top of double crochet. You make a double crochet. On top of double crochet, you make a double crochet. On top of double crochet, you will make a double crochet. On top of double crochet, make a double crochet. top of double crochet, make a double crochet. Now I'm already at the last space, and I'm going to work on this one. I'm going to work a double crochet, my last double crochet. Chain 1, chain 2, and turn your work, yarn over and start making a double crochet. I'm going to make 10 rows of double crochets. I have 2 rows. Now I'm going to make 8 more. Let's meet there and see what next. Make your own 10 rows double crochets, and let's meet there to see what next. Here is my 10 rows, and now I'm going to chain 1 and cut yarn. I will pull this and tie it. It will be like that. Now it's time to join it, and I'm going to flip it like this. And I'm going to use my needle, and I will start like this. I will insert my needle inside the loop like this. If you have the needle of crochet, you can use it. If you don't have, you can go ahead with the local one. That is a bit tricky. As you can see, I'm using it from behind. And I'm here in the last one. I will push my needle. Now pull it. And I'm going to lock like this. This is how I lock. And continue pulling. Now it will look like this. This is the front. This is the front here. Don't worry about the remainings. It's time to hide them, and I'm going to hide it like this. Now I'm going to insert my hook on top of double crochet. I'm making this side on top of double crochets. I'm working on top of this double crochets. At the same time, I'm hiding the remainings. These angle socks you can make as long as you need. If you want for a grown-up, you can measure your leg and go ahead making it. With this cold, we need this. You need this. I need this. Your young ones need this. You can make it for yourself, for your family, for your friend. You can gift it to someone you like. In the last one, and I'm going to lock. And now it's time to hide this yarn, and I'm going to hide it here. And cut like that. Now it's time to join this side. I'll make a knot here like this and start joining this part. And this part I will insert my hook this way, and don't forget to lock it like this. And it's time to hide our remainings. It's time to work in the last one. Then you lock, and I'm going to lock here. I'm going to lock here. Now it's time to hide your yarn, and I'm going to hide it through and cut. Cut it like this. Now I want to hide this one, and I'm going to hide it. This is how to hide the remaining excess yarn, and your work will look neat, very neat. And here is our angle socks. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.